Hello everyone, welcome back to our kitchen faucet channel. Today we have something special to talk about that can truly elevate your kitchen experience. We're diving into the Delta Monrovia VoiceIQ Touchless kitchen faucet, and we'll explore all the features that make it stand out from the crowd. If you are interested in purchasing this kitchen faucet, click on the link in the description below the video. Before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more reviews and home improvement tips. Let's get started. The Delta Monrovia VoiceIQ Touchless Kitchen Faucet with Pull-Down Sprayer is a high-tech faucet that allows you to control the water flow using your voice or by touching the faucet anywhere on the spout or handle. It is also equipped with a pull-down sprayer that makes it easy to clean dishes and pots. The Delta Monrovia VoiceIQ Touchless Kitchen Faucet with Pull-Down Sprayer is a versatile and convenient faucet that can make your kitchen tasks easier. Here are some specific features that make the Delta Monrovia VoiceIQ Touchless Kitchen Faucet. Default text voice activated faucet. Use your Alexa or Google Assistant to power this Delta Touchless Kitchen Faucet. Command the smart faucet to turn on, pour metered amounts of water like 1 cup, or even set custom commands to fill your coffee pot or water bottle. Touch it on, touch it off, touch anywhere on the kitchen faucet spout with your wrist or forearm to start and stop the flow of water, or use the single handle manually. The TempSense LED indicator light changes color to reflect the water's temperature. Lasts 2x longer. Patented diamond seal technology reduces leak points and lasts 2x as long as the industry standard, ensuring leak-free operation for the life of the Gold Kitchen Faucet industry standard is based on ASME 112-18, one of 500000 cycles. Magnetic docking sprayer. Magnetite docking uses a powerful magnet to snap your pull-down sprayer into place so it stays docked and doesn't droop over time like other kitchen sink faucets. Easy installation. Designed to fit single-hole or 3-hole kitchen sink configurations. For 3-hole installation, purchase optional deck plate RP for 7-7 for CSB air separately. Inaflex PEX supply lines are integrated into the kitchen faucet for 1 less leak point. Resists water spots. Delta Lumicoat finishes easily wipe clean, repel liquids, and are guaranteed to resist mineral buildup and hard water stains on your pull-down kitchen faucet. Here's a breakdown of its pros and cons to help you decide if it's the right fit for your kitchen. Pros: convenience, precise water control, touchless operation, voice activation, smart features, multiple control options, durable construction, aesthetic appeal, easy installation. Cons: installation complexity, cost. Overall, the Delta Monrovia VoiceIQ Touchless Kitchen Faucet offers innovative features that can enhance convenience and hygiene in the kitchen, but it's essential to weigh the pros and cons to determine if it's the right choice for your needs and budget. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video review of the Delta Monrovia VoiceIQ Touchless Kitchen Faucet. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more home improvement videos.